Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. Open your workbook, page number 38. Open your workbook, page number 38. Amma, rewrite the sentences in passive voice. I explained yesterday. First of all, we have to make. All of you open your course book. Open your course book, page number. Open your course book, page number 54. All of you open your course book, page number 54. Here, tenses are given and how they are changed into when they are changed into passive voice. These are the active voice sentences and these are the passive voice sentences. Okay, here these may help you to change the active voice sentences into passive voice. First one, they make these courts. They make these courts in Japan. They make these courts in Japan. Okay. Here we have to find out the subject. What is the subject? They is a subject. Objects are two. Japan is the object and these cars also the object, but the direct object is these cars. So these cars will come to here. Okay, these cars then we have to find out the verb. Verb is in first form. Means verb is in first form means present. This is a simple present tense. When the sentence is in the simple present, when the sentence is in the present tense, we have to take the helping verbs of am, is, are. Am, is, or are the present tense helping verbs and was, were are the past tense helping verbs. Am, is, or are the present tense helping verbs. Okay. These cars, am, is, or. These cars is a plural one. So we have to take the helping verb of are. These cars are. Then this is in subject plus verb, first form plus object. When simple present tense structure this is. When we are changing into object plus am, is, or plus verb, third form plus by plus object. We have to change like this. Okay, here am, is, or are I have written because cards is a plural one. So I wrote are. These cards are. Then verb should be third form. Make, made, made. Third form is made. These cards are made. Made by whom? We have written the subject here. By they. When the they is turning into object place, we have to change that into them. If it is a subject place, it is they. If it is goes to object place, we have to change it as them. Them in Japan. These cards are made by them in Japan. Okay, first one. Then the second one, my mom wrote a letter to me. My mom wrote a letter to me. Who wrote a letter? My mom is a subject. What she wrote? A letter is a direct object. Actually, me also object, but that is an indirect object. Letter is a direct object. Okay. Then verb is in second form. Write, wrote, written. Page number 38. Workbook page number 38. My mom wrote a letter to me. Amma, subject plus verb to plus object. Means this is a simple past tense. Subject plus V2 plus object means this is a simple past tense structure. When we are changing into passive, object plus past tense now, we have to take the helping verbs of was were. Past tense kabatti was were helping verb తీసుకోవాలి. Was were plus verb third form plus by plus subject. We have to change like this. Now, what is the object here? A letter. A letter. What are the helping verb? Was and were. Letter is a singular. So we have to take the helping verb of was. A letter was wrote. We have to take the third form of write. Right? Wrote, written. Third form is written. Past voice only verb third forms lone untayi. In the past voice, verbs are in third form. Letter was written by whom? We have the subject here. By my mother, by my mom, to me. The indirect object we have to write a last. A letter was written by mom to me. Come to your answers. Next, someone smashed our window. Someone smashed our window last night. Someone smashed our window last night. Amma here, what is subject? Someone is the subject. What someone smashed? Our window is the direct object. Smashed is the verb. Verb in second form. Same structure. Subject plus V2 plus object. How we had to change? Object plus was or were plus verb third form by plus subject. Okay? Same. This is also simple past. First of all, we have to write the object. What is the object? Our window. Our window. Verb is in second form now. So that's what we have to take the helping verbs of was and were. Verb second form ante past tense. Verb 2 means past tense. We have to take the helping verbs of past tense. What are the past tense helping verbs? Was and were. Was and were. So now we have to take the helping verb of was because window is singular. Window singular kada? So I am taking was. Our window was smashed. My third form also smashed. Smash, smashed, smashed. So third form also same. Smashed by whom? By someone. Someone only. Someone last night. Okay? Change. Last night. Our window was smashed by someone last night. Next one. They have already repaired the television. They have already repaired the television. Amma, what is the subject? They. What is the object? The television. The subject is in the Amma, have plus repaired. This is the structure of present perfect. Structure of present perfect. Present perfect structure means subject plus have or has plus verb third form plus object. This is the present perfect structure. So when we are changing into present perfect into passive, object plus have or has plus been plus verb third form by plus subject. Extra we have to keep been. What we have to keep? We have to change the subject into object plus, object into subject plus, and extra we have to keep been. Okay? Now I am changing the television. Object now? I am writing first. The television. Television is a single one. Singular. So I have to use has. I'm a plurals ke have pettalra, singular ke has pettali. They is plural, that's what have is given. Television is singular, that's what has we have written. The television has next to been. Has been. Verb third form. Third form is repaired only. Repaired, repaired, repaired. Third form also repaired. The television has been repaired by subject. They turn into them. Okay? The television has been repaired by them. Complete. The television has been repaired by them. Next. Next one is people will need public transport. People will need public transport. Amma, subject is people, object is public transport. Here will is the indicator of future. Indicator of future. Will plus verb first form means simple future tense. This is in simple future. Simple future. Structure is subject plus will or shall plus verb first form plus object. This is the active structure. See na? Subject, will, verb first form plus object. Is there no? So this is the simple future structure. When we are changing into passive voice, object plus will or shall plus, we have to use be extra. Extra be use cheyalsi untundi. Be plus verb third form by plus a subject. What is the subject? What is the object? Public transport. Public transport will. Public transport will. After be. Will be. Third form. Need. Needed. Needed. Third form is needed. Needed by. Needed by people. Needed by people. Public transport will be needed by people. Next. My friends. My friends are painting. My friends are painting the wall. My friends are painting the wall. This is the Amma. Subject is there. Am is or is there. And the verb fourth form. This is fourth form now. And the object. This is the present continuous structure. This is the present continuous structure. When we are changing into passive voice, we have to use the object, am is or plus being we have to use. Being plus verb third form by plus subject. Okay, my friends are painting the wall. The wall. The wall. Object is the wall now. Here my friends is the subject. The wall is the object. This is the verb. Verb is in fourth form. The wall is, because the wall is singular now. The wall is being. Is after what? We have read ing form. Ing form be ki add చేసుకోవాలి. Being, then verb into change into third form. Painted. The wall is being painted by my friends. By my friends. The wall is being painted by my friends. Complete answers. By my friends here, Nana. You are able to see now? By my friends. By my friends. Okay? We changed the active voice sentence into passive voice. Now, take next space. Now, rewrite the sentences in active voice. Then we have to change the passive voice sentences into active voice. Here we changed active voice sentence into passive voice. Now we have to change the passive voice sentence into active voice. First one. The king was welcomed by the people. The king was welcomed by the people. By the people. Here, Nana. Here, this is the object and this is the subject. And welcome is the verb. Is in third form. It is the indicator of past. Actually, Nana, this is the simple past tense sentence which is changed into the past tense. Simple past. Past vela cheppanu ikkada verb. Helping verb is there. What is a helping verb? Was. Was is the indicator of past. So this is a simple present, simple past tense sentence. Simple past tense. Amma changed the subject right here. The people. The people. Amma in the past tense, simple past tense structure is subject plus V2 plus object. That's it. Simple past tense structure is subject plus V2 plus object. The people, verb is welcomed. The people welcomed whom? They welcomed the king. The king is the object. That's it. The people welcomed the king. The king was welcomed by the people. It is a passive sentence. It is an active sentence. Second one. My keys are left behind. My keys are left behind. Amma, are present tense helping verb. This is the simple present which is changed into passive. Now we had to change the sentences into simple present tense. Subject plus verb, first form plus object. That's it. My keys are left behind. Here. Here Nana, actually here subject is not there. We have to use I. I leave my keys behind. I leave my keys behind. Amma behind kadre ikkada behind verb kaadu. It is not the subject. Actually subject is not there. We have to take I as a helping verb. As a subject. I leave my keys behind. Next. War was declared against Germany. War was declared against Germany by England. Amma, here was, so it is past tense. Past tense kabatti మనం ఎందులో చేంజ్ చేయాలి? Subject plus VT plus object. Here Germany is the subject. Germany declared war sorry Nana. Here England is the subject here. England declared war against Germany. Sorry, ikkada by after undedi object subject ga nana. By after England is there, that is the subject. So I wrote here England declared war against Germany. Okay. Next, a present was bought for her by her mother. A present was bought for her by her mother. Her mother is a subject here, Nana. Her mother bought simple past. Her mother bought a present for her. Her mother bought a present for her. Next, he was made a general by them. Amma, them is a subject here. So them turned into they. Was made now, so same. You had to change it to simple past. They made him They made him a general. They made him a general. They made him a general. The letter was carried. Same. This is also we had to change into simple past. Carried by the bird. Amma, the bird is the subject. The bird by after which is the subject. The bird carried the letter. The bird carried the letter. Next, Reena and Neeta were scared. Reena and Neeta were scared by the monster. By the monster. Monster is the subject. We have read the monster. The monster. Same. This is also simple present. The monster scared Reena and Neeta. Reena and Neeta. Next. Everyone invited. Everyone invited by the girl. Everyone invited by the girl to the party. Here by after the subject nana. The girl here. The girl. Everyone was invited. Was is again same nana. We had to change into simple past. The girl invited everyone to the party. Everyone to the party. The girl invited everyone to the party. Okay? Amma workbook is completed. Take your activity book. Here, open your activity book, page number 32. Here, color the following characters from the story. Color the characters from the story. You must color all of these. And the next, read the following sentences and categorize the actives and passives. By, you must see the by. By unte sentence study. Passive sentence. Am is or after third form undanko, that is a passive sentence. Was were after third form undanko, that is a passive sentence. By that you must identify the actives and passives. Actives ki A and pettandi, passives ki P. Okay? Here read the sentence and keep this is the actives and passives. Okay? Take the help of course book. Next, change into active sentences. Change the following sentences from actives to passives. Take the help of course book. The course book help తీసుకొని how they change. అవి ఎలా చేంజ్ అవుతాయో మన కోర్స్ బుక్ లో ఉంటుంది స్ట్రక్చర్. By following that, you must change these sentences into passives. Next, the hunter shot the tiger. The tiger was shot by the hunter. This is the same. This is a active sentence. This is a passive sentence. Okay. What he did? He used the same color for the two sentence. these two are the two sentence. These two are the same sentence. This is the active voice. Active sentence ని ఇక్కడ passive voice లో చేంజ్ చేశాడు. సో ఇవి రెండు కూడా సేమ్ సెంటెన్స్. సేమ్ సెంటెన్స్ కి ఏం చేశాడు ఇక్కడ? He used same color. He colored the same. Like that, you must take your crayons or color pencils. You must here same sentence are there. The teacher will forgive him. The same passive sentence will be here behind of this sentence. ఈ sentence మధ్యలో ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది చూడండి. Okay? So you must see that and give the same color to that. Okay? Here active voice and passive sentence are there. Already changes ఉన్నాయి. అదే యాక్టివ్ సెంటెన్స్ ని ప్యాసివ్ లో చేంజ్ చేశాడు. మీరేం చేయాలి? అవి ఎక్కడ నేను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి దానికి డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్ వేయండి. ఈ రెండు సేమ్ సెంటెన్స్ కాబట్టి వీటికి బ్లూ కలర్ వేశాడు. అలాగే సేమ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? రెడ్ కలర్ వేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ దీని కూడా సేమ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? దానికి ఎల్లో కలర్. దీని కూడా సేమ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? బ్లాక్ కలర్. లైక్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్ యూ మస్ట్ యూస్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ అ హోంవర్క్ ఆఫ్ యూ. This is a homework for you. Okay, na? Today's class is completed. Bye.